Hey guys, welcome to my video. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the bulbs in the taillight of your Ford Expedition. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have a question, leave a comment on the video and I'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling. So the only tool you're going to need is a T20 Torx bit, and it'll say right there T20. This is the size of the two Torx bits that hold the taillight in, so we're going to remove those and I'll show you what to do. All right, so there is a bolt here. Just gonna remove the one at the top. And you can get this Torx bit from pretty much any auto parts store, right? You can get them from like Lowe's or Home Depot, or one of those stores like that will also carry them. It's good to kind of have them in the toolbox because you tend to make your own auto repairs. You're definitely gonna need these. All right, so you remove those two T20 Torx bits. Once you have those two screws removed, there are a couple of pins in here that hold the taillight into the body of the vehicle. There are a couple of clips inside. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of come out a little bit, put your hand in here, kind of just pull, and it should pop right out for you. So the way you remove the two bulbs is there's a bulb in there. You can see this one on the bottom. There's only two. And you basically just have to twist and pull this one out like that. And then twist, and this one should come out of the top. So the way to remove these taillights is on this one here, it basically just pulls right out, and we get a new one. You can place it back in. That, and then the top one, it's kind of the same. It just pulls right out, and if you need to change the light, you can put a new one back in it. You're gonna put the socket back in the top. So basically you line up the tabs and you twist it in and kind of lock it in place, and the same with the bottom. Line up the tabs on the bottom of the socket and put them in, and then twist. You'll see a couple of tabs on this one. Sticks out right there and there, and they're going to go into the holes right here on the body. So there'll be a hole here and a hole here. There's a couple connectors that put it in place. So just line up the tabs with the holes on the body of the car, and then so all you need to do is push it back in place. It doesn't take much pressure. And then take your two Torx screws, put the one in the top, and then put the last one in the bottom, and they should go right in for you. They're not too hard to screw back in. And make sure that bottom's low. You don't need to really crank down on these, just snug enough. So that's pretty much it. You're back in business. So I hope you liked the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have a question, leave a comment, I'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching.